Over the past few years, Vietnam has become an increasingly attractive destination for foreign investors, entrepreneurs, professionals, and expatriates. Many foreigners come to Vietnam for business opportunities. Some come for work, others choose Vietnam as a long-term lifestyle destination. And naturally, one important question often appears: can foreigners buy property in Vietnam? The short answer is yes, in many cases. However, buying property in Vietnam as a foreigner is not exactly the same as buying property in your home country. There are specific legal conditions, ownership limitations, and procedures that every foreign buyer should understand before making a significant investment. In this video, we will explain the key things foreign investors need to know before buying property in Vietnam. First, it is important to understand that foreign ownership of property in Vietnam is permitted, but subject to regulations. Foreign individuals and organizations may purchase certain types of residential properties, particularly apartments and houses in eligible housing projects. However, ownership is generally subject to conditions such as the type of property, the legal status of the project, foreign ownership limits, and applicable regulations at the time of purchase. This means that before signing any agreement or transferring money, foreign buyers should verify whether the specific property is legally available for foreign ownership. One common mistake foreign investors make is focusing only on the property itself. The apartment looks attractive, the location is convenient, the price seems reasonable, the developer has a good reputation. But property investment is not only about the physical asset. The legal status behind the asset is equally important. Before purchasing, foreign buyers should consider: is the project legally approved? Does the developer have the necessary licenses? Is the property eligible for sale? Are there any restrictions on foreign ownership? Are there potential disputes or legal issues? These questions can significantly affect the safety of the investment. Another important area is the purchase agreement. Many foreign buyers sign contracts without fully understanding the legal implications. Property contracts may include important provisions relating to payment schedules, handover conditions, developer obligations, penalties for delays, termination rights, and dispute resolution mechanisms. A contract may appear standard, but certain clauses can have significant consequences later. This is why professional legal review before signing is strongly recommended. The purpose is not only to understand the contract, it is to protect your interests. One of the biggest risks foreign buyers should understand is nominee ownership. Some foreigners consider asking Vietnamese friends, partners, or relatives to hold property ownership on their behalf. This may happen because of misunderstanding about ownership rules or limitations. However, nominee arrangements can create serious risks. The person whose name appears on the ownership documents may have legal rights that create complications. Disputes may arise regarding ownership, control, or transfer of the property. Foreign buyers should carefully evaluate these risks and seek professional advice before entering such arrangements. A successful property transaction involves more than signing a contract. Foreign buyers may also need support with negotiating with sellers or developers, reviewing legal documents, completing notarization procedures, managing payments, understanding taxes and fees, and handling disputes if problems occur. Having proper guidance throughout the transaction can help prevent mistakes and protect the investment. Unfortunately, some foreign buyers experience problems after purchasing property in Vietnam. Examples include delayed handover, developer breaches, contract disputes, ownership conflicts, or disagreements involving nominee arrangements. When disputes occur, understanding your legal rights and available remedies becomes essential. The earlier the issue is identified, the more options are usually available. At LTS Law, we regularly assist foreign investors and individuals with property-related matters in Vietnam. Our support includes property legal due diligence, contract review and negotiation, transaction support, legal representation during disputes, and advice on protecting ownership rights. Our goal is not simply to help clients complete a transaction, Our goal is to help foreign buyers understand risks, make informed decisions, and protect their investment throughout the entire property journey. Vietnam offers exciting opportunities for foreign investors and property buyers. However, successful investment requires more than finding the right property. It requires understanding the legal framework behind that investment. Before purchasing property in Vietnam, foreign buyers should carefully evaluate ownership eligibility, project legality, contractual obligations, and potential risks. Because a property investment is not only about what you buy, it is about protecting what you own. If you are considering buying property in Vietnam and want professional legal guidance, book a consultation with LTS Law. Because the right advice before purchase can protect your investment for years to come.